Hello everyone, today we are starting with contract. So first of all, for fulfilling contract, there are 5 elements that you have to fulfill. So those elements are, first one is offer, or you can say proposal. And second one is acceptance of proposal. Third one is consideration. Fourth one is agreement. And last is contract. So you can see, if you want to make contracts, so you have to fulfill these all the elements. So now let's understand it one by one. Okay, so you can see offer or proposal occur when you tell someone that you want to do this thing or you don't want to do this thing, or you can say you want to exchange this thing for something else or you don't want to exchange it for something else. So that is offer or proposal. And acceptance or proposal is when you accept the thing that have been offered to you. And consideration occurs when you exchange some valuable thing. So you can see, if someone offers you a car, so in return you have to give that person money, so that is consideration. And agreement is when you fulfill acceptance and consideration. Okay, and when these all 4 points are done and that is legal in the eye of law, then the contract takes place. So you can write it as willingness to do or abstain from doing. And acceptance of proposal when you accept the offer. And this is also known as promise. And consideration is when something valued is exchanged. And agreement is when promise plus consideration has been fulfilled. And contract is when that is agreement plus that is enforceable by law. Write it as contract takes place when offer plus promise plus consideration, or you can say these both are agreement, plus it is enforceable by law. Then contract takes place. So now let's understand contract through an example. So you can see there is a person A and person B. So you can see A wants to sell his white car. So he tells B that he wants to sell his white car. And over here you can see that A intentionally tells B because he wants to sell his car to B. So in that case you can see over here it is the offer, or you can say proposal, because A over here willingly is telling B so that he can sell his car. And over here you can see that B accepts the offer. Okay, so over here it will become promise when B tells that he wants to take the car. So this will become the promise. So over here you can see that A tells that car is for rupees 10 lakh. So B says yeah, he wants to take the car and he gives money to B. Over here you can see this part is consideration. Why it is consideration? Because over here something value have been exchange, that is money have been exchanged. Okay, so you can see that offer has been done, acceptance of the proposal has been done, consideration over here has been done. So when these two are being done, it becomes agreement. So these two have been fulfilled, so agreement is done. And you can see it is legal in the eyes of law to sell the car, because that is not something that have been theft or something, so that is legal in the eye of law. So you can see when agreement is done, it is enforceable by law, so that become contract.